Yes. Yeah.
Pull the cannula. Now push out the.
Yes. Yes, sir.
This point to here so that I can get an angle like this. So that is where finger points are different. If I take this portal more closer to the inferior part of the glenoid, I will not be able to reach to the inferior part of the glenoid. If I take it more superior part of it, that is what Gassman had made a modification when he wanted to get into it. Okay?
Sir, can you repeat, sir? Thoda.
So this portal,
Sir.
if you go more inferior towards the inferior part of the glenoid, reaching from this area to the inferior part of the glenoid will be very difficult as compared to making it just superior so that you can get an angle to it, because the humeral head will always will not allow it to.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now what happens is, one, you will hold the rest and then let this particular thing clear. But before that, always pass a knot pusher so that you know that this thread is not entangled anywhere. So knot pusher लेके you pass it, वो निटिनॉल वायर पकड़ो, लूप चिया वायर पकड़ो, hold it and very slowly and remove this. Okay, clear? So now you pass it through this. इसको एक आर्टरी लगाओ. ठीक है, चलो. And you should be able to.
एक बार ट्रैक चेक करने के लिए, सर. अच्छा. Sir, with the knot pusher, just to see the track, sir.
Just to see whether is there any kind of entanglement. Okay. So there is an entanglement. Yes. It's better to take a blue one rather than the white one. Okay.
Yes. Correct.
Take a blue one. Otherwise, you'll have to do some
manipulation.
Sutures management out there. Pass on the blue one.
Yeah, blue is free.
Blue is free because what happened is this is going to. So this has to. This will come, but it will loop that particular thing again. मेरे को loop grasp कर देना. So few things we need to change here. Loop grasp कर देना please.
We have to free up just थोड़ा.
Otherwise यहाँ से वो issue है. नहीं है? वो नहीं जाएगा ना. जा नहीं रहा ना. इसमें से नहीं जा रहा है. पकड़िए. छोटा वाला पतला वाला रहता है ना, ये कैनुला पतला है इसीलिए अच्छा गया. So I would want this.
Yeah. Yes.
एक खींचो ना. ऊपर आगे का पकड़ के रखो. You leave this. So now that's free from
freedom.
So put on a this one, blue one. Put on hold all these things. Leave only the blue ones.
Yeah, now better, sir. We are basically freeing up the.
Yes. This can happen. Normally, it should not happen if you are well versed with this step, but it can happen if.
Yes.
One. Only one.
One thread.
One thread. So, see to it that you are only feeding this much part of it.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Hold the other threads of the cannula. And then here you will pull this and see there. Pull this.
Pull
and
it
see
fast.
There. No, it's okay. Pull. pull. See there. Pull,
Yeah,
pull.
came out, sir.
Pull. See there. Pull. Ah. But ठीक है. It's still
okay,
okay.
no problem.
Still okay. So there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Still okay. No problem. Okay. Now another this thing. Loop grasper to me again, and we pull this blue one from the front and we tie this.
Okay.
So that
Sir, you pass one thread through the tissue, one thread not passing through the tissue. So both the threads need not pass through the tissue.
that will become a mattress suture. Both the threads of the same passing through it, it will get the mattress effect. This is a simple.
Simple. That is not needed. So every time mattress is not needed.
It's up to you.
Yes. Sir.
It's up to you. We've
Some
been doing
surgeons-
this-
yes, sir, yes.
Yeah, we've been doing this since long. Many techniques. What they involve is
Sir.
taking a bite there, retrieving it, and knotless anchors are there. Matec has it.
Yes.
वो उसका ये लूप लेके वो एंकर में just hammer it and then your job is done. Okay. So taking the another blue one out into it. There and cannula pakdo. Okay. Now
Yes.
and don't make it. This is through the bone.
Yes.
Hold it. And this is through the tissue.
Yes, sir. Through the tissue.
Through the tissue, through the bone.
Yes.
Through the tissue becomes your
Post.
So so see there हाँ tissue वाला छोटा कर रहा हूँ मैं tissue वाला छोटा कर रहा हूँ मैं get that
Yes, sir.
now somebody hold it for me here इकडे है somebody hold it for me here not pusher editor you know basic knots we are going to
Sir,
learn few knots
once
But
demonstrate,
this,
sir.
this I will demonstrate right one of my favorite is the Duncans one throw, second throw, third throw, and this going through the thumb loop.
Okay.
And
it can go above, नीचे कैसे बता सकते?
This is the dressing.
Okay,
and
and
now
just you
the
can hold
moment,
this.
Now I will not hold this. Now the moment I see here, see the moment I pull this, it goes in.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Knot is going
This
in. Sir.
becomes so many people are meticulous. They tie this with an artery. It's a very good
Yes.
habit to do that.
Mark the post.
Mark the post, okay, and not pusher please. So this many sliding knots, many a times what happens is you may have the need to push the knot, but here it's easy. It's easy. Okay, you will have to see there. Now with this, it is important to maneuver the knot at the right place. It should
Yes.
be on the tissue and not on the bone.
Yes.
It should be on the hold it.
Otherwise, it will rub the.
So there, and I'll pull it more, and till the time I see the thread. Now I want this to go on the tissue there.
Yes.
See that tissue?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm
Okay,
seeing.
it's not on the bone.
Yes.
And I still give it a pull. See there how it is approximated. A nice bumper effect achieved.
Perfect, sir.
Right? So this one, I've still not caught hold of the other.
Yes, sir.
Limb.
You are still
It's
holding
only
the
the
knot.
post.
Post only. Yeah.
Right? Now I know that now my thread is, the knot is sitting quite well. Now I'm going to lock it. Here holding it, and then I'm pulling it and then locking it.
Okay.
Locking it.
Yes.
Clear?
No half inches over this.
No. This is a Duncan. Normally you can have 2 to 3 overthrows of half inches out here. Right? To lock it further for good knot and loop security. Okay? So now this is good. We come out. I'm not loosening this. I'm just taking it out. There are few knots wherein you can change this to this, make the limb, but alternate the post and throw half inches. Half inch here again, and then again going through it and going through it and past pointing it. Now becomes the past pointing part. So there.
Okay. Sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Past pointing it. My first didn't do any kind of past pointing. Okay, so this becomes a complete knot security. You can have 2 to 3 half hitches. I can change the post. I will put this back into its position and we will change the post. This is the second throw half hitch. Now I am changing it. Okay, I am changing it.